Alright guys, so part one, the last video, I just changed that taillight to an LED taillight and it's been working well. But now it's time to change these signals and also wire that taillight to have signals on it. Now, the second thing I'm going to be doing is installing a Fender delete. And as you can see, I already have a Fender delete on there, but it doesn't look that small to me. I don't really like where it fits so far back on the bike. So I've gotten this other one, and those are the signals I'm going to be using. That's going to sit a bit further forward and a little more hidden under the exhaust. So we're going to go ahead and pull the bike down to where we had it before. If you watched the first video, you'll know how to do that. So I'm not going to include that on this one, but I'm going to start the video again with the bike broken down. Okay, so that took me all of 7 minutes. Pretty easy to take apart. And now we're going to work on the bottom end here. So if you're doing the Fender delete that looks like this, it's going to be attached here when you're done with it. But let me show you what you need to take off. There's a U-shaped piece that goes like that here. That's going to come off. There's one bolt there, same on the other side, and one bolt here. I've already taken that one off because I had some problems with it. You need to take that off because the wiring for the delete runs over that piece. And then you're going to take off this piece. You're going to put your delete on there. You'll run the wiring. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that entire thing off because I'm going to be changing it up. I'm going to be doing some more wiring. So you'll see what happens here. If you're wondering what size that one is, it's a T25 Torx. So don't use the wrong bit or you're going to screw yourself up and have some issues when you strip it. There you go. Everything is removed. You can see the wiring is the only thing keeping that piece on. We're going to have to pop this off, get the wiring out, take the signals out, and unplug everything from the harness. So for these signals, as you can see, there's specialized connectors there. It's the black and the gray. The ones I have blocked off are for the license plate, and I'm going to unblock those in a second. But to save myself some wiring troubles, most LED signals come with just these generic ends, and I could clip that and make it all work. But instead, for just a couple bucks, I got these adapters where obviously it plugs one side into the bike and then has these bullet connectors for me to plug those signals in, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'll leave a link in the description for those if you want them, but they'll make this a whole lot cleaner and a lot easier to transition back to those should I ever decide to do so. So I've connected one loosely just to test. And let's go ahead and flip the signal, see what happens. Okay, so it looks like the black connector is the right side signal and the gray is the left side signal. And it's working fine with the hyper flash because I haven't changed the relays yet, but I do have the relay to change and I'll make sure I include that in this video as well. Okay, so here's what I've got now. I put the tail delete on there. Here's how I installed it. I used my bracket there and I bolted it right onto the bracket itself. And then I ran the wires up through the side there and connected them with my adapters into the correct slots there. So last thing I have to do is put the brake light back on. And then I'm going to splice into these wires for the signals to get the integrated tails to work. So let's go ahead and do that. So the integrated tail lights are as simple as splicing a little bit of, or removing a little bit of the sheathing on this wire, taking the turn signal, and then we're going to connect them, wrap them, electrical tape, and you're good to go. So there's one last thing we need to do to stop the hyper flash, and that's change this relay. So I've already pulled it off. This is what it looks like. Spend the 10 bucks, put a new relay in there, and you won't have that ridiculous hyper flash. All right, everything went well. Got it all back together. You can see the license plate light is on there. Let's see what the signals look like. Beauty. Taillight's flashing, signals are flashing. Don't have a hyper flash. Everything's in the right direction. It's looking good. All right, so If you like that, you want to see some more on this bike or a few other things that I've got coming up, as I keep saying, make sure you give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.